Today's show is brought to you by TechEd. I say it's been a long time coming, and today I'm so excited because we get to unbox a device I have been waiting for. I want to say thank you so much to Joy from Samsung for making sure this would happen. And I would say we are amongst the first people to actually get hold of the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. This one just came in. As you can see, it has that 24-month warranty badge from Samsung, and I cannot wait to unbox this. Let's just go ahead. So when this device came, I was watching the live broadcast and I was like, I cannot wait to get a hands on this device. I have practically gotten the opportunity to use every device from the Galaxy Z Fold 2, and I must say I have loved the Z Fold series, and now specifically because this Z Fold 8 Ultra is the successor. Just wait a minute. That color is amazing. The violet shadow, that's what they call it. This color is amazing. It's amazing. Where? So as I was saying, I've practically gotten the opportunity to use every Z Fold device that's from the Z Fold 2, the changes they made all the way to the Z Fold 7, and my God, this phone is incredibly thin. I know I've used the Z Fold 7, but it's been a while since I laid hands on a Z Fold device. I went back to chunkiness. I've been using the S24 for a while, and I was just waiting for this to come in so that, you know, I can get the opportunity to swap, and this phone is thin, I tell you. So one of the things that they have been saying is they have improved the crease on this, especially because they included a titanium alloy plate, and you're going to get to see how that will do, especially because one of the biggest issues with the Z Fold has always been the fact that you notice the crease, especially with what Oppo did. But I can tell you, okay, ideally when you unbox it, the whole thing is flat, you cannot notice anything, but my goodness, I can tell you this is an interesting device. I can't wait to get to use this device and give you my review. Again, I have used almost every single iteration of the Z Fold, so this is just but another upgrade along that line, especially coming from the Z Fold 7. I know if you've used the Z Fold 7, there's not many improvements, probably apart from the bigger battery. We have a bigger battery on this, a new bigger kind of battery. We still have the same camera combo, but we have an improved display, and you know, can't wait to also pitch this up against the Z Fold 7 and see how it works. So this is the Z Fold 8 for you guys, and this thing is beautiful to behold. I think especially after dropping the Z Fold 7, I had forgotten how pretty thin this device can be. I tell you, this is you know, it's one of those premium devices that have their own. So this is going to be the first fold, and let's just see. So this is what I've been using, and you can see that. You can see that it's been interesting. This is, even when folded, you can compare them side by side. They're almost like ideally the same measurement, but you can imagine when it's unfolded how pretty thin it is. But the S24 is slightly taller. But anyway, I can't wait to use this device and tell you what I think about in after 2 weeks. You can throw in all your questions. Premium. Throw in all your questions, what you'd like to know about the Z Fold 8 Ultra, and I will be back to you in about 2 weeks with a full review after using this amazingness. So it's a wrap from us guys at TechEd. Peace out.